Hey everyone, welcome back. We dive into everything about relationships, love, and making connections that last. If you've ever wondered how to make someone fall in love with you, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to share some powerful tips and insights that could change the way you approach love. So let's jump right in. There's 1. Be confident in yourself first. Confidence is key. Confidence isn't about being arrogant or pretending to be perfect. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. When you exude confidence, people are naturally drawn to you. It creates a magnetic energy. So, work on loving yourself, improving your self-esteem, and walking through life with your head held high. Remember, self-love is the foundation for attracting love from others. For number 2, be genuine and authentic. Next up, be authentic. Authenticity is the secret sauce in building any deep connection. When you're real with someone, it creates a sense of trust and emotional safety. People are drawn to others who are genuine, not someone who's pretending to be someone they're not. So don't try to change who you are just to win someone's affection. Let your true self shine and allow the right people to fall for you because of who you truly are. The sucker 3, create emotional connection. Another important tip is to create an emotional connection. Love isn't just about physical attraction. It's about emotional intimacy. People want to feel understood and valued. So take the time to listen, ask thoughtful questions, and show empathy. When you connect on an emotional level, you're building a foundation for something deeper. Make them feel heard and seen, and that will create a bond that could lead to love. 4. Be supportive and encouraging. Love also thrives in a supportive environment, being there for someone when they need you, whether it's during hard times or celebrations, shows them you care. Encourage their passions, support their dreams, and celebrate their successes. When someone feels supported by you, they're more likely to develop feelings of affection. It's about being their biggest cheerleader and offering love through actions, not just words. So number 5, be patient and respectful. Be patient and respectful. Love can't be rushed. It's important to give the other person time to get to know you and fall for you in their own time. Don't try to force a connection or push someone into something they're not ready for. Respect their boundaries, their pace, and let things unfold naturally. Remember, real love is a gradual process that grows deeper over time. So there you have it, some of the best tips for making anyone fall in love with you. Remember, it's not about tricks or manipulation. It's about being the best version of yourself, creating real connections, and letting things flow naturally. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship tips. And let me know in the comments what topics you want me to cover next. Until next time, take care and keep spreading love.